Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 OMNI. If you're interested in the T80, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the ECOVACS home app right here. We're going to enter into our T80 OMNI, and we're going to select that enter button towards the bottom right-hand corner. And from here, we see a breakout of our full map. So to get access to some of the map settings, we're going to go to the middle right-hand side of the screen. There's a zone icon, and below that, there's a map icon. It's multiple boxes, squares all together with a little line through one, and it says map. So we can select that, and here's a look at our map. So down at the bottom, we can rename areas. We can add virtual boundaries, and you can learn more about the different types right here and what you're able to do. But I'll show you the linear one. So basically your virtual walls, add that as needed. And then we have our rectangular options. So this is going to be a no-go zone, so it will never enter that area. But we also have a no mopping zone. So it'll enter that area, it'll just vacuum, it won't mop. So you have a couple different options there to set up to make sure you have your vacuum exactly how you want it. Then we can divide or combine rooms if it's not exactly how you want it. You can add furniture here. It doesn't do anything, it's just aesthetically for you, I guess. I've never been one to add furniture to any of my maps. Then we have this cool wall option here, so we can select a wall, and then we can basically move it out 10 feet as needed. So let's go into it. Selected it, then you could expand it all the way out 9.8 feet if you wanted. So if the wall wasn't exactly right, you wanted to go a little bit further, you can expand that on any of the sides of your map. Then we have our material, so you can choose the different material you want here. Default wood, marble, tile, you get the idea. So if that's not right, you can change that. Then we have carpet settings, so you can add round or rectangular carpet. Take a look here, got a nice breakout showing you the different options for it. Then we have threshold ramp. If you want to add a threshold ramp on your map, you can, or if you need to delete an area, you can do that right there. And above all those icons on the right-hand side, there's a little 90-degree option. It's got the little L with the arrow pointing down. That's so you can rotate your map. And right at the very top center where it says map 1, if you hit that blue plus button, this is where you can add other maps. If you want to create a new map, just select add, tie to your area, it'll dispatch, go out, it'll make the map for you, and you'll be back at this screen where you can edit your new map. Also, top right-hand corner, we've got 3 dots. There's the start mapping, again, like that blue plus. We can also name, backup, restore, or delete our map. So that's our map settings there. Now, top right-hand corner, there's a little settings gear icon. It's a little nut. We can select that. And we can go down here, and there's the map settings option again, where we can toggle on or off multi-floor mode. And we can also set the map display here. Do you want to show the floor type? Do you want to show the layout, right? All of that on the map you can add or remove. And then we have our edit map options down at the bottom. That takes us back to the screen that we already looked at right there. So that's a quick look at the map settings for the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 OMNI.